Good morning, students. Last time we had started this lesson called as the 1.5, the necklace. Already you have studied about the character called as the Mathilde. Mathilde was a very smart lady. She was a very beautiful and what you call charming girl. She always liked to wear the ornaments, jewels, rich dresses, etc. And she always what you call intends herself to meet with her friend, as she was a very Mathilde was a poor and that her friend was very rich, because she don't want to be what you call feel very sorrow or unhappiness or regret, as her friend was very rich and she was a poor. Now let us continue this lesson. Page number 18. She had her what you call one evening her husband came home with an air of triumph, holding a large envelope in his hand. Look, he said, here is something for you. Look here, what happened? One day, what happened? Her husband, okay, minor officer, one day he came from his office, okay, with the air of a triumph. Air of a triumph means with very happy, just like he won something, understand? He got some victory, etc. Like just like a air of a triumph, and what he has hold in his hand, a large envelope in his hand. Look, he said, there is something for you, he said to Mathilde. Mathilde's husband one day came from his office with an envelope with a very what you call in happiness mode, and he asked or he said to what you call Mathilde that something is for you. She tore open the paper and drew out a card on which was printed the words. That time she tore the envelope and she had seen that something was there in that envelope. What was there? There was the what was there on which the printed the words. What was the printed words? Look at the Minister of Education and Georges Ramponneau request the pleasure of Mr. and Madam, okay, Losel Company at the Ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. On the January 18th, what happened? The invitation was given. Invitation was given. Yes, what was the invitation? Invitation was who had given that invitation? Look here, the Minister of Education and Madam Georges Ramponneau request the pleasure of Mr. and Madam Loisel Company at the Ministry on the evening of Monday. On the evening of Monday, there was a what you call party, and it was invited on the January 18th. Instead of being delighted, as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully. Look here. Instead of happiness, Mathilde threw that envelope on the table. Here, her husband was hoped that she would be happy, but she was not happy, because look here, what is the problem, or what is the problem? Instead of being delighted, instead of being very happy, see what happened? She threw the invitation on the table resentfully in unhappiness mode and muttered. She whispered something. She muttered something. She whispered something. What do you want me to do with that? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? She said. What is your expectation? Yes. What shall I do? If I, what do you want to me do that with that? What shall I do with that envelope? What shall I do with the invitation? Because and what shall I wear on that day? She said. What shall I do? What is with the envelope? What with the invitation card? Because she had not the good dress. That's why he had not thought of that. He stammered. Why the dress you go to the theater in? It seems very nice to me. Okay, he stopped, stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. He stuttered, what's the matter? Let's see, Mathilde, how much would a suitable dress cost? Look here, that time what happened here? Her husband, Mathilde's husband, he was stunned, he shocked himself. When he looked at Mathilde was crying, started weeping, because Mathilde had not rich dresses. Okay, she was very, her family was not belonged to a aristocrat family. That's why there was no any jewels, no ornaments, no rich dresses. That's why she was not ready to go to that party, okay, with her husband. So here, that's why this the husband, it means the officer, he stunned, he shocked. Yes, when that Mathilde was crying. He stopped, stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. He stuttered, what is the matter? He asked, what is the matter? Let's see, Matilde, how much would a suitable dress cost? That time he said, look here, Matilde, yes, suitable dress, how many rupees will be cost? Suitable material, what you call dress, etc. He asked to wife, his wife. She thought for a moment. She thought for a moment. Afterwards, she started to thinking, computing the cost, and also wondering what amount she could ask for without an immediate refusal. At last, she answered hesitantly, "I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs." Look at here. What happened when the Mathilde's husband brought invitation envelope? That time she opened it and she had seen that the invitation given by the Lysol company. Okay, at evening on 18th, what you call January. Okay, then but that time she neglected and she threw the invitation card on the table and she started crying. That time her husband asked her, "What's the matter?" That time she said that she had not a rich dress. Then her husband, what you call that officer, anyhow he convinced and he asked her, "What, how much, how many rupees will be cost for the suitable dress?" That time she said, "Maybe 400 francs." He turned a little pale because he had been saving the exact amount to buy a gun for a hunting summer in the country near Nanterre with a few friends. Look here. Before that, what happened? Her husband was also collecting some money, 400 francs, because he wanted to purchase gun for the hunting. That's why he became what you call little pale, means became unhappy. Then in the however, he said, "Very well, I can give you 400 francs." How many? How many minutes? Come on. Yet 7 minutes are there. Then how many minutes? 7 minutes. Now 7 minutes. Yet 3 minutes. 7 minutes. Only 3 minutes. Then don't go. Okay, then here what happened? However, he said, "Very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get a really beautiful dress." Here, what happened? The husband, he said, he wanted to collect money. He was saving 400 francs to purchase the gun for the hunting. He wanted to go with his friends at a Nanterre. But here, he convinced her and he told her that he will give 400 francs and purchase good dress. The day of the party drew near, and Madame Loisel seemed sad, restless, anxious. Through her dress was ready. Okay, ready. Here, what happened? That here, what happened? The year, the day, the what you call the on evening. Look here, the day of the party drew near. The day of the party drew near. On the day of the party drew near, it came near, and what happened here? The Madame Loisel. Madame Loisel means what? The wife of that minister. Understand? What happened? Seemed very sad. She became very restless, very anxious. Though her dress was ready, though she got the 400 francs from her husband, she was worried. Because why she was worrying? Yes, even though she got 400 francs, she had one dress, even though she was very worried. What will be reason? We will understand in next period. Till then, you take on homework. What is teaching? You know that. Wait. What date the air of hold? Second, was husband considerate person. Okay, students, thank you. Have a night.